I am Mazi Okoro Ijoma, or simply Ugwaru. I joined the university in December 1973 under the University Junior Fellowship. After a year, I left this, went to the UK, where I did my master's and PhD at the University of Birmingham. Came back in 1978 to the Department of History. By the way, I studied African history, majoring in Igbo social and political history. I was there sometime, posted to GS as a coordinator at that and all that. I have taken, I've had a number of senior academic and administrative duties in the university. And in terms of teaching and supervision, I am privileged to have today a number of professors who were my PhD students, both in this country and in the US. And at least I've had over 20 PhD students that passed through me, a couple at the Abia State University. I've also been involved in external examination of students at the undergraduate and postgraduate levels. I've been involved in NUC verification and accreditation exercises as chairman or leader of the groups for the arts and humanities. Done some in the north, in southwest and so on. So I've been here and I enjoyed it. I retired from regular service of this university in 2005, about 16 years ago. But I think I have not been completely tired. I had some relationship with the Department of History up till the end of September 2015. And beyond that, I've also had some relationships with some other universities. It may be Benue State University, maybe Abia State University, and so on. I've also done some jobs, particularly external examination, outside of this country, given lecture tours, particularly on Igbo history. So, briefly, that's may consider as a summary of the life in this university. In recent times, having retired, I come here every afternoon, come to the Children's Staff Club to see my friends, and then we exchange pleasant jokes and so on. And I'm also a live member of the Children's Staff Club. Thank you.